welcome Processing Magazine. Thank you very much for stopping by the JWC Environmental booth. This is our 40th anniversary, so we've had 40 years of grinding and shredding sewage, industrial waste, and all sorts of stuff to keep those pumps running clear. We're glad Processing Magazine is here because we have a new focus on the industrial market. We're seeing lots of customers and doing a lot of projects in food waste shredding, organic shredding, oil and gas and industrial shredding, tank bottom cleanouts, seaweed, all sorts of interesting applications where people need to grind large material, sludges and slurries into tiny particles to protect those pumps, to protect those valves, and that's what the Muffin Monster is all about. It's there to keep things flowing smoothly, moving along, so your process doesn't stop and keeps on going. Okay, so this is the Macho Monster dual shafted grinder. This is one of our larger grinders. It has a 10 horsepower motor. The cutting force is about 45,000 pounds per cutter tip at peak load, so it can slice through anything. So let's do a little demonstration. So what you're seeing there is a mechanism called the smart reversal. If it senses something very large or a brick or a wrench, what it's going to do is stop the cutters really quickly, reverse for 3 seconds, wait a bit, and then start again. So that way, if it's a large item like that 2x4 you saw, it'll break it apart. If it's a brick or a stone, it'll break it apart. But if it's a wrench or rebar we don't want going through the grinder, it'll stop eventually, signal alarm so an operator can clear it and it won't damage the machine. So this is our next new introduction here at WEFTEC 2012. This is the new vertical auger monster screening system. And in addition to the grinders that you saw, JWC offers a full line of screening systems so that we can get out rags, large solid, rocks, organics, out of the waste stream so that that material can be separated and the liquids can flow through. So the way this vertical auger works is you've got the influent wastewater coming in here. It passes through another dual shafted grinder so that we break up the material. It passes into the screening basket down here. And you can see there it has 6mm perforations so that it's capturing all of those small solids. The liquid and organics can still pass through as needed. And then that vertical auger lifts it all the way up as high as you need, up to 30 feet, straight up. So it's a small footprint. We have a compaction zone in there to compact those solids together, and then they can fall in a dumpster, or we even have an auto bagger so that those are contained, captured, clean, there's no orders. Take off that auto bagger and it's all sealed up. So this is the vertical auger monster from JWC Environmental. Well, thank you very much, Processing Magazine, for visiting the JWCE booth. If you'd like more information on shredding waste organics, food waste, oil and gas waste, sewage solids, or any other of those materials, please look us up on the web, jwce.com.